Sean, it's Christmas morning. Come on, downstairs. Do you see your presents? Okay.
Keep it on coming, bud.
Oh, look, it's Christmas morning. See your presents? Did Santa come? Oh, he did come, yeah.
He left a present here.
Yeah, let's go see what Santa brought. And who else is here? Grandma and Pap. Ho, ho, ho. And Uncle Mike and Aunt Mel and Aunt Beth and Kara. We're glad you finally got up.
Dad,
Yeah, what is it?
it's
Cranky the crane?
yeah.
All right. Here you go, Sean. Let's open up some other gifts.
Marilyn didn't speak there. I didn't think so.
Got her eyes closed.
This one is too hard.
Okay, well, here, we'll slide this off. Okay. There you go. The hell doesn't work. Here, you know what, Mommy, there you go.
I got for the arrow thing now. It's the old box.
Yeah, it's just it's an old box. Open it up. Oh, what is it?
It's
Who's that?
that's game.
That is James. And a caboose that plays music.
Yeah. It plays pumpkin.
Let's play Thomas music.
It plays play music.
It is. Nice. Do you want to open up another one?
Yep.
Okay. All right, here you go. Slide the bow off. Here, slide it off. Or you can pull. Pull. Doesn't exactly come off. Here, Mommy will help you. Here you go, sweetie. Here you go, Sean.
Yeah.
There is the bow. There you go. Do you see the bow? Oh. Okay, well, that'll be good background music.
What is the box? What's in the box?
A caboose.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
the package, the present.
What's
You have
in
to
this-
unwrap
What's in
it.
this box?
I don't know what's in here.
But you're about to find
We'll
out.
see.
But I'll see.
Toothpaste. Toothpaste.
No, it's
Oh, what are those? Do you know?
I don't know.
Those are cartridges for your smart cycle. Who's on there?
Dora and Thomas.
Dora and Thomas.
Nice.
All right. Would you like to open up another one?
Over the boy. Yeah, she's thrilled. Christmas
Say
lights are
what?
sure.
A gift.
Now they kind of get, huh?
It's just an old box.
Well, there's something in the box. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Here. Oh.
A star.
That blinks. Isn't that nice?
Oh.
Polar
Oh, Sean,
Express.
Yeah, look at what it is. The Polar Express.
Polar Express.
Yeah. Oh, what is it?
It's a train.
It's a train. Nice.
And there's another train.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
another
Oh,
train.
And there's Santa.
that's for next year too, I think.
Polar
Yeah.
Express.
Thank
Polar.
you.
That's
Very nice.
That's a
but would you like to open it? That's from Kaylin, Aaron, and Shannon.
It's Thomas toothpaste and a Dollar toothbrush and Diesel 10.
Oh, from Santa.
Santa.
Isn't that what you asked Santa for?
Yeah.
Santa knows you
Santa
about
knew. You wanted toothbrush and toothpaste and
dental
Diesel
care.
10.
I
Oh,
just like Dollar toothpaste and Dollar toothbrush.
Yeah.
Wow.
you got Dora toothbrush.
Yeah, and Thomas toothpaste
Thomas toothpaste.
and
Wow.
Diesel 10.
Diesel 10.
Diesel 10. Oh, that's Santa.
Man, he's smart, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, aren't you glad you went and sat on his lap and told him what you wanted?
Yeah, and Diesel 10 is cross.
Diesel 10 is cross. And who's this, Sean? Who is the other one you got? That's James.
James. But this box right here.
Yeah, who's in there?
Cranky.
Cranky. Is Cranky cross?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you know he's cross?
I don't know.
You don't know? Look at that nice new Dora toothbrush. Wow, you know what? You got a toothbrush and Grandma's house too. Maybe that one can come back and we can replace your toothbrush. Yeah, the one at Grandma's house is looking like it needs to be replaced. Yeah, we needed to.
2 inch, 2 inch.
There we go. Okay. Sean, do you know what, sweetie? I think there's another. Oh, this one is from Karen. Remember Karen who came to visit us
Yeah.
last year? Okay.
She was at the hotel. At that hotel.
No, she came here to visit us.
She stayed with me.
Yeah, remember? She stayed with us for a few days.
Yeah.
Oh, the CIA is the one who finds out if you've been good or bad. Well, of
The
course.
Christmas
Intelligence.
I thought it was Verizon.
Look at those good books.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Where are all the toys? This is cool. Sean.
You got your new reading?
This is cute. Very cute. Very nice. Sean, do you want to help Kara open up her presents? Let
Right.
Kara open her present. So, there's 2. Okay, can you help Kara? Okay.
Yep, she's ready for it.
Oh, Sean, what is it?
It's a ladybird.
It's just like your turtle.
Yeah.
Do you think Kara will like it as much as you like your turtle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Twilight Ladybug.
I want to
Actually, looks like
open
stars.
this diesel
Okay, tap that book. Here, do you wanna open up this present for Kara?
10.
No? Oh, come on, let's open it up.
No.
Okay, Mommy will open it. Oh, Kara. Oh, Balmex. Balmex to go. This
Just
is
what you're
Balmex
looking
for the
for.
diaper bag. No, yay. And, oh.
Baby wipes.
What? A little bedtime washcloth. Yeah. Whoa. Everyone's gonna want these. They're lavender. Oh, what do you think?
Hey, buddy.
Say Merry Christmas. Look at the presents. Do you see them? You okay?
Mom,
What?
I don't want
You don't want what?
this thing.
Okay, there you go. You want to check it out?
Whoa.
Whoa. How about that? You want to open a present?
No.
No?
Oh, can you turn the tree on, buddy?
Okay. Here, let's go turn the tree on.
I don't want to do this.
Oh my, what's the matter, bud?
You had a bad dream.
Oh.